Hi, this is Thomas with Cozy Grammar, speaking to you from Marie's cozy beach cottage on the edge of Discovery Passage in beautiful British Columbia. We're just finishing up one of our live Ask Cozy Grammar sessions, which we also record and share through our social media channels. We like to close our sessions with a poem. So here's a poem from my book, The Safety of Edges. The poem is called Authority. The first day it's warm, the boy runs outside, wearing a tank top and his short blue shorts. But it's 60, they say, and he tries to believe them, but the words don't match what he feels on his skin, his arms both reaching for the sky.